The anticipation for the iPhone 16 Pro Max is building as new leaks and rumors surface, providing a clearer picture of what Apple's next flagship device might offer. With the release just around the corner, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to introduce significant upgrades in both hardware and software, making it one of the most awaited devices of 2024. In this video, we will delve into all the latest leaks and give you a comprehensive overview of what to expect from Apple's upcoming powerhouse. One of the most notable upgrades expected in the iPhone 16 Pro Max is its display. According to Ross Young, a reliable industry analyst, the device will feature a slightly larger screen size, increasing from the 6.7-inch display of the iPhone 15 Pro Max to 6.9 inches. Young shared this information on his Twitter account, citing changes in Apple's supply chain as the basis for his prediction. This larger display will not only enhance the viewing experience, but also support an even brighter screen, which could improve visibility in direct sunlight. The display is also expected to be more energy efficient, contributing to better battery life, a feature that is always a priority for iPhone users. Speaking of battery life, another significant upgrade expected in the iPhone 16 Pro Max is the battery capacity. Ming-Chi Kuo, a well-known Apple analyst, has reported on Medium that all iPhone 16 models, including the Pro Max, will feature larger batteries. The increase could be between 2% and 9%, depending on the model. Kuo also highlighted that the improved efficiency would be due to the new A18 Pro chipset, which will be built on TSMC's 3nm process. This process, already seen in the latest iPad Pro models, allows for more power while consuming less energy, which could lead to a 10%, 20% increase in battery performance. This combination of a larger battery and more efficient chipset will likely result in significant improvements in battery life for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The A18 Pro chipset is one of the most exciting features coming to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This chipset will be significantly more powerful than its predecessor, thanks to its 3nm architecture. This A18 Pro would feature more neural engine cores, allowing for enhanced AI capabilities. This could lead to better performance in tasks such as image processing, machine learning, and augmented reality applications. Additionally, the A18 Pro is expected to support Wi-Fi 7, which will offer faster and more reliable internet connectivity. Meanwhile, according to Mac Rumors, Haitong International Securities analyst Jeff Pugh claims that Apple will add a 48-megapixel ultra-wide shooter to the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. Ming-Chi Kuo also reiterates this with more details, noting that the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max could jump to a 48-megapixel sensor with 6P lens assembly for its rear ultra-wide camera. If true, this would be a significant resolution upgrade compared to the 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor currently used on iPhone models. Storage options for the iPhone 16 Pro Max might see a significant boost as well. Leaker U1122 posted on the Korean blogging site Naver that Apple is considering offering a 2TB storage option for the first time. This would be double the maximum storage currently available on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This massive storage option would be ideal for users who shoot a lot of 4K video or use their phones for intensive applications. Additionally, the iPhone 16 Pro Max may support up to 40 to 45-watt wired charging, a significant increase from the 27-watt charging available on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This would allow users to charge their devices much faster, making it more convenient for those who are always on the go. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to be released in September 2024, following Apple's traditional launch timeline. As for pricing, it is likely to start at around $1,200 for the base model, with higher storage options pushing the price even further. Given the extensive upgrades and new features, this price point is expected, especially with the introduction of a 2TB storage option. With all these exciting features and upgrades, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is shaping up to be one of the most impressive smartphones of 2024. What do you think about these new features? Are you planning to upgrade to the iPhone 16 Pro Max when it is released? Which feature are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with the latest news and reviews.